My only reason for bringing them to Lowe's. Come on, guys. Come on. They pooped already. And they peed. But somehow... they like to make a mess on the mulch. Mikey, stop. Mikey, stop. Mikey, stop. He's got to pee 1,000,000 times. Here, guys. If you open the door, I can get them in. Hey guys, let's get in. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Oops. Let's get in the car. Get in. Up, up, up. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Good boys. Okay. Let me tie you up. Maui, over here. Okay, Mikey, you first. Ow. Hold on. Come on, Mikey. Let me tie you. Gotta get right up here. Hold on. Hold on. Come, hey, can you stop for a minute? Just give me a minute so I can hook him up. He's getting... pretty much done. I know that, but he's getting distracted every time you... This is the last of it. Okay.